Hopefully, okay. I think y'all can see me because I put it in the sun. Put my DJ in the sun. But good afternoon, guys. It is 12. No, sorry, 12:42, July 27th, and this is the start of my vlog, my maintenance vlog back to the US. I leave in 4 days. I leave on July 31st. And yeah, I'm about to take you guys along as I get stuff done, just beauty maintenance, stuff like that. But anyways, today I'm about to go get my lashes done. Just walking there. It's like it's a 5 minutes walk from my house, so that's where I'm going right now. Yeah, I got my lashes done with her when I was going to Spain, and she ate down, so trying that again. So show you guys the end results. Bye. Hi guys, I just got done my lashes and she ate as usual. Like, look at these. Let me just show y'all. Like, yeah, she ate down. She going down. Lift going down. Okay, y'all, things I need to buy today. Obviously I'm running errands today again, day 2 of maintenance ish. I have to fix my nails today. One of my nails broke, and then I need to go get some attachments and beads for my braids tomorrow. I'm getting my braids done tomorrow. And then I want to go get some snacks that I want to take back with me to the US. And I might shape my eyebrows. I don't know yet, but we'll see. All right, bye guys. Hi you guys. So as you saw in the last clip, I am done with my braids, and okay, so as you guys saw in the last clip, I am done with my braids and I'm just home right now. I just got done eating some food because I'm so hungry and I feel so weak. Like, my appointment was at 8 a.m. so like I just took like leftover cookies I had eaten the night before, and yeah, that was a big mistake. But anyways, I really loved the hair. She was really fast. She did her thing. Tomorrow is my last day in Birmingham, and I don't know how I feel about it, y'all. Like, I'm kind of sad. Well, not kind of, I am sad. But tomorrow I'll have to just get my nails done and like fix my nails, and then probably thread my brows a little bit. But I'm sad, you guys. Like, I'm going to miss Birmingham so much, and I don't know how I feel about that. Like, I go, obviously I miss my mom and my brother, but at the same time it's like mixed feelings. You know, I miss my mom, I miss my brother, but like I'm also gonna miss being like living in a city that, like, just living somewhere new, like a new city. I'm gonna miss this, like somewhere different. I'm going to miss it. But yeah, then talk to you guys later. I'm not recording for the rest of the day because I really don't have anything fun going on, literally. Like, this is just a maintenance vlog. So yeah, I just have my, yeah, I don't have anything. I'm just gonna watch a TV show. Oh my god, you guys, start watching this TV show on Netflix. It's called The Residents, and I started watching it with my hairstylist, and we literally got through season 1 together. Like, it's so good. You guys should go watch it. It's like a medical show. You know those medical shows? Yeah, that's how show it is. And season 1 had like 12 episodes or something. Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, bye guys. Love my hair. It's so tea, babes.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if it ain't you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. Oh, you with me, oh, we could be honest. Close to the beat, oh, giving me signs. Promise that you
The security line from Birmingham was super long. I almost missed my flight coming to Paris. But right now I have a 1 hour stop in Paris. But my flight is boarding in about 30 minutes. So I just came to get a drink. I have chips in my bag so I can eat that and sleep. Because I'm so sleepy. But yeah, I just thought to update you guys. Okay, so I am already I'm already going into the plane. But as I was saying before, the security was so crazy in Birmingham and I almost missed my flight. But thank God I'm not missing my flight in Paris. But yeah, I had a 1 hour stop. But honestly, by the time I got out the plane, went through security in Paris, it's not really a 1 hour stop anymore. But yeah, my flight right now from Paris to Dallas is a 10-hour, 25-minute flight. But I don't really care because I'm about to sleep. Like, I'm about to sleep because my flight was at 6 a.m. and obviously I left the house 2 hours before 3 a.m. so I couldn't even sleep. But yeah. I already did actually. Our Air France like fucked up my bags again. For the second bumper clad time. Air France fucked up my bags. But anyways, I'm just out getting drinks with a strawberry margarita, and it's already gone right now, but I got burger and sweet potato fries. But yeah, am I happy to be back? Yes. YES. I miss my room. I can't wait to be like. Hi guys. Today is, please ignore the background, but today is August 2nd, and I'm just getting my my groove back a little bit. Honestly, I don't have my groove back yet because tomorrow is when I'll start cleaning the whole room, everything. But y'all, look at my flowers. They're so pretty. Like, oh, so cute. Yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys. I showed you. Okay, never mind. Anyways, so today our agenda for today is go watch Spider-Man. As you can see, my cute little Spider-Man tee, and I'm just wearing this sweat shorts. I might change them later on. And then I have my bag and my cute little accessories. Go watch Spider-Man. Go get matcha from this matcha place I've been seeing on TikTok. The matcha looks really good. Yeah, that's about it, to be honest. But just wanted to check in on you guys because I haven't recorded in like, okay, I didn't record yesterday, so it was only yesterday I didn't record. I don't think I recorded after I left the airport. But basically one of my bags came yesterday. Then 2 of my bags are coming today. So 3 bags that got lost are now found. Yeah, we thank God. But see my hair, so cute. Ugh, so freaking cute. I love my hair. Ignore the brown girl, like I said. I'm still like, I have not even touched this room. Like, I've not even cleaned nothing. But tomorrow I'm going to clean and I'll bring you guys along as I'm cleaning. But yeah, see you guys. First things first is matcha. So see you guys when I get to the matcha spot. Bye.
Loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time. So just
Gotta get the clip like. Let's go watch. Let's go watch Spider-Man, guys. Okay guys, I'm done with Spider-Man and it's a 10/10 movie. Like, I would love to see action plus emotional plus everything. Like, it was really, really nice. I loved it. As you can see, I still have my tea. Yeah. But yeah, you guys should go watch Spider-Man this weekend or weekday. Yeah. As you can see on my bed, my PJs. I'm in a big bag right now. I have ice cream and crackers. But yeah, today honestly was just a very not stressful, chill day. I cleaned a lot. So I cleaned downstairs of my house because we are moving this month. So we're packing a lot, cleaning a lot. So I couldn't really finish up my cleaning of my room today. But fingers crossed, I finish it tomorrow. Actually, that's it. Like, I'm running some errands in my room tomorrow. Oh my god. I wish I finished this cleaning of this room by my first because. Well, anyway, just wanted to update you guys. I haven't checked up on you guys. I didn't even show you guys my dinner, nothing. Like, yeah. I did want to record. I did not feel like recording, but it's like this is what vlogging is about. Like, this is why I vlog, to show the real and raw, not just whenever I'm out and about. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm about to watch this for the rest of the night. It's currently 8:46 p.m. and munch on my ice cream and crackers, and then probably sleep off pretty early because my body is actually still adjusting to the time difference. So today I slept in the afternoon, me thinking I won't sleep at night. I won't sleep early, but yeah, sleeping early today still, even after sleeping in the afternoon. Hi guys, I haven't recorded in child, I don't know, bro, like 4 days, and I have a good excuse for that. It's because I have been sick. As you can see, I switch out my braces colors. Anyways, you get the gist. But I switched the colors out for my braces, and I was going through a lot of pain. Like the pain was unbearable, y'all. Like it was crazy. And then I was also sick. I don't know why I came down with, but I was having a stuffy nose and itchy throat. So that's why I couldn't record. Anyways, I finally cleaned my room today because obviously I was sick and I genuinely felt so weak. Like I would stand up and just get back on the bed because I was feeling so lightheaded. Like I'm just so happy I'm past that. I'm feeling better today. But I cleaned my room today and I went out to go do some dumb shopping for my little brother, which I didn't record because today was like my first time genuinely getting out of the house, like, and feeling good. So I didn't know if I was gonna feel good or if I was still gonna feel weak. But I felt good, but I just forgot to record. But let me show you guys my room right now. I've never like showed you my room. Here's my table space. I have this chair, it's so cute, and this table. I got them both from Wayfair. And my cute roses, they're like I don't know what they call them, like lifetime roses or whatever. The pink bowl. I just have my little light bulb right here. It's from IKEA. And I have my flower right here. I made this flower arrangement myself. I just got flowers. I got everything from at home. I think that's the name of the store. Yeah, I got everything last year. But these are my cute collectibles. I love them so much. My babies. These are my first collectibles I ever like bought. They're twins, so cute. And then I got these in Mayoka, which I can't find the other, like the third one. It's yeah, no evil, say no evil, see no evil is missing. But yeah, love. And my boxes are right here because I'm gonna be moving in a few weeks. So yeah, I just packed the stuff I don't wear day to day inside my box. And this is my bed, my throw. I got my bed from Home Depot, my bed from Home Depot. My cute brown pillows, my usual bed. She is pink, but that's in the laundry right now, so I'm just using my white one. And then I got this table from Home Depot also. That's my white right there. Really cute. See, I have like this arrangers like in my bed and stuff. Yeah, really lovely. And then I have this whole like wardrobe set up from Amazon. And then my pink hangers, I got them from Burlington. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's just it feels real empty right now because I literally cleared everything out because I'm moving. So it's like, yeah, I'm really gonna miss this room. So cutesy, so lovely. But yeah, that's my room. I'm about to watch TV right now and go to bed. But good night, guys. I just thought to like check up and like make a video because I recorded in 3 days and that's like very absurd. But yeah, talk to you guys later.